Got a storyboard image but don't know how to turn it into a real video? Traditionally, you'd need animators, editors, and a sizable budget to bring those scenes to life. Today, that's no longer the case. With Google Flow, you can transform a simple storyboard into a complete AI-generated video in just minutes, completely free. In this video, I'll show you the exact process I used to turn the storyboard you're seeing right now into this fully animated video.
A wise Shifu sought something real. Leaving comfort behind, he listened to the whispers of nature, stumbling upon a hidden clearing. In stillness, he turned inward. Each day flows with deep purpose. People arrive, seeking his peace. The Shifu teaches through silence. He feels profound gratitude, becoming one with nature.
Before we start generating anything, make sure your storyboard is properly organized. For this example, I have 2 storyboard images prepared. Together, they cover the entire sequence from frame 1 all the way to frame 12. Our goal is to transform these static storyboard panels into a fully animated video with smooth scene transitions, matching visuals, and synchronized audio. I recommend keeping each storyboard image between 4 and 6 frames. This gives Google Flow enough information to understand what's happening in the story without overwhelming the model with too many scenes at once. It also makes it easier to generate shorter video segments that we can combine later into one complete video. Now head over to Google Flow. If you haven't opened it already, you'll find the link in the description below. Once you're inside Google Flow, click on New Project to create a fresh workspace. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see different generation options. Make sure video is selected since we'll be creating video clips from our storyboard images. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio. This will depend on where you plan to publish the final video. You can also select the number of outputs you want Google Flow to generate, as well as the duration for each video clip. For video models, select Omni Flash. Once your settings are ready, click the plus icon and select Upload Media. Navigate to your storyboard files and upload the first storyboard image. After the upload is complete, you'll see it appear in the Media panel. Click on the image and select Add to Prompt. This tells Google Flow to use the storyboard as the visual reference for the video generation. Now it's time to add the prompt. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. I've included the exact prompt I'm using in the description below, so you can simply copy and paste it. A quick tip before generating. If you plan to record your own narration, or add a custom voiceover later during editing, you can modify the prompt slightly. I've included instructions in the description, showing exactly which section to remove so Google Flow doesn't generate an AI voiceover automatically. With everything in place, click Generate and let Google Flow do the work. After a short wait, your first video clip will be generated and added to the media library. Click on the video to preview it.
A wise Shifu sought something real. Leaving comfort behind, he listened to the whispers of nature, stumbling upon a hidden clearing. In stillness, he turned inward.
You'll notice that Google Flow does a surprisingly good job of interpreting the storyboard. It understands the sequence of events, creates smooth transitions between scenes, and maintains the overall flow of the story. Instead of looking like separate disconnected frames, the video feels much more natural and cinematic. Now let's generate the next section of our story. Return to the prompt area and click the plus icon again. Upload your second storyboard image and add it to the prompt just like we did with the first beat. 1. Paste the same prompt, double-check your video settings, and then click Generate once more. Google Flow will now create a second video segment based on the remaining storyboard frames. Once the generation is complete, preview the clip to make sure you're happy with the result. Now that we have both video segments ready, it's time to combine them into one complete story. Open the first video inside the editor. At the bottom of the editor, you'll see the timeline. This is where you'll arrange all of your generated clips in the correct order. Click the plus button inside the timeline and select Add Clip. Choose the second video and click Add to Scene. Google Flow will automatically place the second clip directly after the first one, creating a longer continuous video sequence. If your project contains additional storyboard images, simply repeat the same process until every generated clip has been added to the timeline. Once you're satisfied with the final sequence, click the download button at the top of the screen to export the completed video to your computer. And here is the final result.
A wise Shifu sought something real. Leaving comfort behind, he listened to the whispers of nature, stumbling upon a hidden clearing. In stillness, he turned inward. Each day flows with deep purpose. People arrive, seeking his peace. The Shifu teaches through silence. He feels profound gratitude, becoming one with nature.
What started as a collection of static storyboard frames has now been transformed into a complete animated video. The scenes flow naturally from one moment to the next. The visuals remain consistent throughout the story, and the generated audio helps bring everything together into a much more immersive viewing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Google Flow tutorials, AI video creation guides, and free AI tool discoveries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.